Hi, this is Greg Lowe. This is another video in the SDU Tools series called Calculate Table Loading Order. If you have a database with foreign key relationships, it can often be difficult to work out the order that you need to load tables if you need to make sure that you do them in the correct order so that your foreign key relationships are maintained. You might also just simply want to traverse a database and work out the dependencies between the tables. So we've provided a tool for that. Let's take a look. So if I say calculate table loading order, I'll point at the Wide World Importers database that we built for Microsoft. Let's take a look. Now the return values from this gives us a set of loading orders. And so this is the order that we suggest the tables are loaded in. The phase are all the tables that don't have a dependency on each other. So all these ones that say level 1, none of those depend on each other. If I scroll down a little further, we'll find the first one that's loading phase 2. So this table has a dependency on something, at least one, in loading phase 1. And if I scroll right to the bottom, we'll find that the final level here is loading phase 8, so there are in fact 48 tables in that database, and these are the tables that are the highest levels of dependencies, so it would have to be loaded later. Now the other thing we've provided in here, apart from just the table names, the scheme of the table name, we've also provided detail here of the object ID for the table and whether it's a system temporal table or not. So notice here, this one here was application people, and that's a system temporal table. It's not the history table, but the history table is called application people archive. And if we go back looking further, you'll find that application people archive, this one here, is actually flagged as a temporal history table instead. So you can get that indication. Look, I hope you find this tool useful. For more information on SDU Tools and for a link to download them, please visit our site at sqldownunder.com.